Okay. Now we have the battery. We can update the video BIOS. Yep, right there. Covington BOE. Yeah, this one's pretty dirty. It's 40 gig. A05 32006. Really quiet drive. There was only one screw. Always breaking in that area. So there's where it's broken. It always breaks right there. I think it's kind of gross. August 05. Okay, this is as good as we're gonna get. Jay White and Bill, the users. Reset the passwords. Nice. Desktop search. Oh, malware bites. McAfee. Hey, get out of the way. They reinstall? No network controller? Oh, actually, it's probably because I have a different wireless card in here. Okay. Adobe Reader 9. Okay, that doesn't make a whole lot of sense, just the numbers. Oh. Yeah, let's blur the SSIDs out. Wow. Get rid of that. Covington Board of Education. People so careless with their user info. Diploma 6, link to Nikon, Nikon folder, Windows search, Dell wireless, Visual Studio 05, Iris OCR registration, 08 student data tool application. 2007. 3/10/2010. So it's been a decade. I mean, 13 years. Oh, ActiveX 10.3.181.26. And done. Good thing I maxed this out to 2 gigs of RAM. This would be terrible. Just get rid of all that. I don't need it. IE provided by Covington Public Schools. CPS. Yahoo Toolbar, out of date. Go figure. What is that? Shockwave, okay. Where's history? I don't even know how to find history on here. Temporary internet files. Just publisher 03. 10/8/07, 4:51 p.m. Go to temp files. See the dates on those. March 14th, 2004. Modified. December 14th, 2008. 10:58 a.m. on Sunday. Monday, October 8th, 2007, 5:13 p.m. Tuesday, May 1st, 2012, 9:26 p.m. It's the newest one in the temp files, besides today's date. It's password. Good. Using this. Last version for XP. Anyway, how long has this hard drive been on? Oh, found threads. Well, no shit, because the other one's kind of outdated. 6,700 hours. Unit T. I don't know. Wow. Well, that's annoying. Damn. What the hell is this? We feel so ghetto right now. Okay. Well, I can't play New Stories Highway Blues. But look at this. MTVN. Find new music. Okay, so it has the Enterprise McAfee. 8.7i or something, it said. This is taking forever to start up. Here it is. Enterprise 8.7.0i from 2009. I installed an NT 4.0 and the driver didn't work for this. So I'm thinking this will fix that. If not, I don't care, so whatever. So for some reason, it shut off and the battery's full, so that's weird. Taking a long time. Jeez. Here it is. Just about almost 2 gigs. Okay, so April 2012 seems to be the last time this thing was used. The oldest one was from 07. Broadcom, the audio. Yeah, 07 when they installed it.
Thunderbolts and lightning, very, very frightening.
Galileo, Figaro Magnifico.
Your mom just killed a man, put a gun against his head, pulled my trigger, and he's dead.
Here's how gross the keyboard is. And guess what? I noticed something I didn't see before. It's a replacement keyboard. 2008. It's genuine. Date code 3 of 08.